to make full screen Word document. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So a full screen Word will not have these menu bars. So it will only have this blank page where you make your document or where you write. So in order to do so, here you will see this option, ribbon display option. Simply click on it, and then when you click show tabs and commands, all the tabs, these tabs as well as the command over here will show. But if you do show tabs, these commands will not show. But if you do not want to show anything but these blank space, what you will have to do is select auto hide ribbon, and now you can see the word is full screen. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.